Hello students, good afternoon all of you. Today we will start our semester 2. Our first chapter of semester 2 is Prahelika. Prahelika it means riddle or puzzle. Our first puzzle is Vrukshagravasi na cha Pakshirajah Trinetrathari na cha Shulpaniha Tvagvastrathari na cha Siddhayogi Jalam च ब्रिबन्न घटो न मेघः वृक्षाग्रवासी न च पक्षिराजः वृक्षाग्रवासी it means who lives on the tip of the tree, who lives on the tip of the tree. न च पक्षिराजः पक्षिराजः it means the king of birds, it means king of birds, it means eagle. त्रिनेत्रधारी it means who has three eyes. Na cha Shulpani it means with holding trident. With holding trident. Tvagvastrathari it means wearing the clothes of leather. Wearing the clothes of leather. Siddhayogi it means ascetic. Bribhanna it means holder. Ghato it means pot, and Megha it means cloud. Look at the translation of it. He lives on the tip of the trees, but not an eagle. He lives on the tip of the tree, but not an eagle. He has three eyes, but not Lord Shiva. He has three eyes, but not holding trident or Lord Shiva. He wears a skin as clothes, but is not a aesthetic. He wears skin as clothes, but is not a aesthetic. He holds water, but is not a pot or a cloud. He holds water, but not a pot or a cloud. Guess who is he? Any guess? The answer of this riddle is a coconut. Coconut is live or grow on the tip of the tree. Coconut is grow on the tip of the tree. Then he has three eyes. Coconut has three eyes. He wears skin as clothes. It means it covers with hard shell. Coconut is covered with hard shells. Then he holds water. Coconut has also water in it. So he holds water, but is not pot and or a cloud. Coconut holds water in it. So the answer of this riddle is a coconut. This is our second riddle. नर नारी सम्मुक्तना सा स्त्री देह विवर्जिता अमुखी कुरुते शब्दम जात मात्रा विनश्यति. नर नारी सम्मुक्तना सा स्त्री देह विवर्जिता अमुखी कुरुते शब्दम जात मात्रा विनश्यति. नर नारी सम्मुक्तना it means a woman created by a man and a woman. That woman created by a man and a woman. Sastri means that woman or like that woman. Deh vivarjita it means without body. Amukhi kurute shabdam. Amukhi means without a mouth. Kurute shabdam means make a sound. Without mouth, make a sound. Jat matra, it means as soon as she is born. As soon as she is born. Vinashyati it means is destroyed. Vinashyati it means is destroyed. Nandari sammuktana sastri de vivarjita amukhi kurute shabdam jat matra vinashyati. It means, translation of it, that woman created from a man and a woman, but still is without a body, created by a man and woman, but still is without a body. Without a mouth, she makes a sound. Without a mouth, she makes a sound and is destroyed as soon as she is born. And is destroyed as soon as she is born. Have you any idea who is she? Let me explain. This is a man, middle finger, man, and our middle finger is a woman. Created a woman, another woman, but still without a body. Is not body. She has not no body. Without mouth, she makes a sound. Have you heard the sound? Without mouth, she makes sound. And destroyed as soon as she is born. Destroyed as soon as she is born. Answer is a snap. Snap. Okay, students. Answer of this riddle is a snap. Students, this is our third riddle. Krishna Mukhena Marjari Dvijihvana cha Sarpini Panchabhartri na Panchali Yo Janati Sah Pandita. Krishna Mukhena Marjari Dvijihvana cha Sarpini Panchabhartri na Panchali Yo Janati Sah Pandita. Krishnamukhi, it means having black faced. Krishnamukhi, it means having black faced. Marjari, Marjari, it means a cat. Dvijihva, Jihva, it means our tongue, and Dvijihva, it means two tongues. Two tongues. Na cha Sarpini. Sarpini, it means female snake. Sarpini, it means female snake. Panchabhartri. Panchabhartri, it means who has 5 husbands. Panchabhartri, it means with 5 husbands. Na Panchali. Panchali, it means you all are known about Draupadi. Panchali, it means Draupadi. Yo Janati Saha Pandita. Who knows about it is a scholar. Okay. She is a black-faced but is not a cat. She is a she has black-faced but not a cat and has 2 tongues but not a female snake. Has 2 tongues but not a female snake. Female snake has 2 tongues. But we are not talking about female snake. She has 5 husbands but is not Draupadi. She has 5 husbands but she is not Draupadi. One who knows is a scholar. Who knows about it? Have you any idea? The answer is a pen, fountain pen. Fountain pen is ink is a black, it means black faced, but it is not a cat. Fountain pen, it nibs has 2 ways. It means 2 tongues but not a female snake. Fountain pen's nib has 2 ways. She has 5 husbands. 5 husbands means we hold a pen with our 5 fingers. 5 fingers is like 5 husbands of a pen. We hold pen with our 5 fingers. Okay. So the answer of this riddle is a fountain pen. This is our 4th riddle. Dante Vina शिलाभक्षी निर्जीवो बहुभाषक गुणस्तुति समृद्धोपि परपादेन गच्छति। दन्तेर्हिन शिलाभक्षी निर्जीवो बहुभाषक गुणस्तुति समृद्धोपि परपादेन गच्छति। Dantorhin it means without teeth. Shilabhakshi it means eater of stones or crusher of pebbles. Nirjivo it means non-living. Bahubhashak it means talkative person or talkative. Gunsyuti samruddhi with laces like quality. Gunsyuti samruddha with laces like quality. Parpadin it means stranger's feet, some another person's feet. Gacchati it means walks. Gacchati it means walks. Let's have a look at the translation. The one who is without teeth but still eats stones. That one who is without teeth but still eats stone. The one who has no life but is a chatterbox. The one who has no life, it is non-living thing, but it is a talkative or a chatterbox. It means make lots of noise. The one who is tied with qualities. The one who is tied with qualities. And one who walks with another's feet. One who walks with another's feet. Guess who is it? Answer of this riddle is a shoes. Shoes, that one who is without teeth. Shoes has no teeth, but it crush many pebbles or stones. The one who has no life, but it is a chatterbox. Shoes has no life, but it sounds, it makes noise. The one who has no life, and the one who has tied with a quality. Shoes, our shoes, we tied with lace, many quality of laces. And one who walks with another's feet. Shoes walks with human's feet. So the answer of this riddle is a shoes. Okay student, look at here. This is our fifth and last riddle. Kasturi jayate kasmata ko hanti karinam kulam ki kuriyat kataro yuddhe mrugat siha palayanam. Kasturi jayate kasmat. Kasmat it means from where. From where. Jayate it means born, or produced. Produced from where? Karina kulam it means a herd of elephants. To a herd of elephants. Ki kuriyat kataro yuddhe mrugat siha palayanam. Kim kuriyat. Katara it means a coward. Kim kuriyat it means what to do. Coward and what to do. Yuddhe it means during war. Mruga it means from deer, lion and runs. Mruga it means from deer. Siha it means a lion. Palayanam it means runs. So the translation of it, from where is musk produced? From where is musk produced? Who kills a herd of elephants? Who kills a herd of elephants? And what does a coward do during war? What does a coward do during war? From a deer, a lion runs. idea about this riddle? There are asking 3 questions and also the answer in it. From where is musk produced? Musk produced. From where? It is navel of deer. Right? It calls kasturi. Musk produced from the navel of deer. Then who kills herd of elephants? Who kills herd of elephant? So the answer is a lion. A lion kills herd of elephants. Then the third question is, what does a coward do during war? What does a coward do during war? Runs. A coward runs during war. There are 3 questions and the answer of that questions are in our 4th part. From a deer, a lion runs. This is the answer of that 3 questions. Where is the musk produced? The answer is from a deer. Who kills a herd of elephant? Its answer is a lion. And what does a coward do during war? The answer is runs. Okay students? Have you understand all the riddles? In our next lecture, we do exercise on learn about Prahelika puzzles. Prahelika means puzzles or riddle. In this lecture, we learn about some exercise. First of all, we will see glossary. Vrukshagravasi means one who lives on the tip of the tree. Pakshi Raja means the king of bird or an eagle. Shulpanika, it means one having a trident in the hand, Shankar Bhagavan. Tvag Vastradhari, it means one having clothes of skin. Vibran, it means having. Dev Vivarjita, it means without body. Jat Matra, it means immediately after born or birth. Marjari means cat. Jihva, it means tongue. Panchabhartri, Panchabhartri means 5 husbands. Shila, it means stone. Padava, it means leg. Gunsyut Samruddha, it means thoughtfully sewn with thread. Karinam, it means of elephant. And Katav, it means cow. Now look at here. Vrukshagravasi. Question 1. Answer the following question selecting the words from the brackets. First of all, Vrukshagravasi kaha asti. Vrukshagravasi kaha asti. The options are Lekhani or Narikel. Vrukshagravasi Narikel asti. Answer is Narikel. Second one, Ka stri deh vivarjita asti. Ka stri deh vivarjita asti. The options are Chotika or Lekhani. Chotika, it means snap. Ka Krishnamukhi asti. Third question, Ka Krishnamukhi asti. Chotika or Lekhani? Lekhani means a pen. Kah par padev gacchati. Kah par padev gacchati. It means, sorry, options are Narikel and Padraksha. Answer is Padraksha. It means shoes. Number 5, Kasturi kasmat jayate. Kasturi kasmat jayate. Options are Sihat, Mruga. The correct answer is Mruga. Kasturi, Mruga, Jayate. Now, match the following. Match A with B approximately. there are two columns A and B. Trinetradhari means who has three eyes. Narikal means coconut. Coconut has three eyes. Second one, Nar Nari Sammuktana. Nar Nari Sammuktana, who is made by or created by a man and a woman. Who is it? Chotika. It means a snake. Third one, Panchabhartri. Panchabhartri means who has 5 husbands. So Lekhani means a pen. Then Sheela Bakshi. Sheela Bakshi means stone crusher. Stone crusher. Who is it? Padraksha means shoes. Then Katara Yuddhe. Katara Yuddhe means a coward. What to do a coward during the war? Palayanam Karoti means he runs away. Coward runs away during war. Okay. Next one, friend other words following the illustration. There are given one example. Vrikshavasi, friend other words. Vanvasi, Guruvasi and Swargavasi. This is the example of that word. Now we have to write another words from this word. First of all, Shulpani. Shulpani. First word is Shulpani. So we have to write 3 words, 3 other words like this. Chakrapani, Vrikshapani, and third one Vastrapani. Okay. Now second word, Trinetradhari. Trinetradhari. Write 3 other words. Trinetradhari. First word, Dhanushthari. And Chakradhari. And Karmadhari. Okay. Now the next word, Sheela Bakshi. Sheela Bakshi. Vat Bakshi. Fal Bakshi. Third one, Anna Bakshi. Okay. Now next word, Dantahi. Dantahi. Netrahin. Buddhihin and Dhanhin. Shulpani, Chakrapani, Vrikshapani, Vastrapani, then Trinetradhari, Dhanushthari सूत्रधारी, चक्रधारी, कर्मधारी, शिलाभक्षी, वातभक्षी, फलभक्षी, अन्नभक्षी, दंतहीन, नेत्रहीन, बुद्धिहीन एंड धनहीन. Now, rewrite the following sentences according to the illustration. First one, वृक्षाग्रवासी न च पक्षिराजः. वृक्षाग्रवासी न च पक्षिराजः. वृक्षाग्रवासी अस्ति किंतु पक्षिराजः नास्ति. वृक्षाग्रवासी अस्ति किंतु पक्षिराजः नास्ति. न and ch, remove न ch and add asti kintu and at the last add nasti. First one, त्रिनेत्रधारी न च शूलपाणि. Right here, त्रिनेत्रधारी अस्ति किंतु शूलपाणि नास्ति. Okay. Second one, त्वग्वस्त्रधारी न च सिद्धयोगी. त्वग्वस्त्रधारी न च सिद्धयोगी. Right here, त्वग्वस्त्रधारी अस्ति किंतु सिद्धयोगी नास्ति. Third one, कृष्णमुखी न मार्जरी. कृष्णमुखी न मार्जरी. कृष्णमुखी अस्ति किंतु मार्जारी नास्ति. Fourth one, द्विजिह्वा न च सर्पिणी. द्विजिह्वा न च सर्पिणी. Remove na and cha and add asti kintu and at the last nasti. द्विजिह्वा अस्ति किंतु सर्पिणी नास्ति. Last one, पंचभर्तृ न पांचाली. पंचभर्तृ न पांचाली. पंचभर्तृ अस्ति किंतु पांचाली नास्ति. Okay. Now look at the sentence, new sentences. त्रिनेत्रधारी अस्ति किंतु शूलपाणि नास्ति. त्वग्वस्त्रधारी अस्ति किंतु सिद्धयोगी नास्ति. कृष्णमुखी अस्ति किंतु मार्जरी नास्ति. द्विजिह्वा अस्ति किंतु सर्पिणी नास्ति. पंचभर्तृ अस्ति किंतु पांचाली नास्ति. Now for extra exercise, we will go with workbook. First question, for each of the given questions, choose the correct options and write the letter corresponding to answer in the given box. First of all, first question, वृक्षाग्रवासी कः अस्ति? वृक्षाग्रवासी कः अस्ति? The answer is C, नारिकेल, means a coconut. Second one, पक्षीराजः कः अस्ति? पक्षीराजः कः अस्ति? Option B, गरुड़. Third one, शूलपाणिः कः अस्ति? शूलपाणिः कः अस्ति? The correct option is D, Mahadev. Mahadev means Lord Shiva. Fourth one, त्वग्वस्त्रधारी कः अस्ति? त्वग्वस्त्रधारी कः अस्ति? The correct option is D, भगवान शंकर, Lord Shiva. Question number 5, का स्त्री नर नारी सम्मुक्तना? का स्त्री नर नारी सम्मुक्तना? Option B, छोटिका. 6 number, का जात मात्रा विनश्यति? का जात मात्रा विनश्यति? Option B, छोटिका. Question number 7, का कृष्णमुखी अस्ति? का कृष्णमुखी अस्ति? Option A, लेखनी. Number 8, दन्तेर्हीन शिलापक्षी कः अस्ति? दन्तेर्हीन शिलापक्षी कः अस्ति? Option D, उपानत. उपानत, it means पादरक्षक, shoes. Number 9, कः कर्णां कुलं हन्ति? कः कर्णां कुलं हन्ति? Option B, मृगेंद्र. मृगेंद्र, it means सिंह, lion. Number 10, का पुरुषः युद्धे किं करोति? का पुरुषः युद्धे किं करोति? पलायनम. Option B, पलायनम. And number 11, डैश मृगात् जायते? डैश मृगात् जायते? The answer is option C, कस्तूरी. Option C. Last one, number 12, who lives at the top of the tree? Who lives at the top of the tree? The option is, correct option is option D, coconut. Coconut is lives at the tip or top of the tree. Second question, fill in the blanks with appropriate words according to the poem. First one, jalam cha vibranna न घटः न मेघः. जलं च बिभ्रन्न न घटः न मेघः. Number 2, सा स्त्री अमुखी अपि शब्दं कुरुते. सा स्त्री अमुखी अपि शब्दं कुरुते. Number 3, सा डैश अस्ति परं सर्पिणी नस्ति. सा डैश अस्ति परं सर्पिणी न अस्ति. द्वि जीवा. द्विजिह्वा अस्ति परं सर्पिणी नास्ति। नंबर 4 सः निर्जीवः अपि डैश वर्तते। सः निर्जीवः अपि डैश वर्तते। पादरक्षकः। ओके और नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज मैच द फॉलोइंग। मैच द फॉलोइंग। देयर आर 2 columns A and B. First number त्वग वस्त्रधारी। त्वग वस्त्रधारी न च सिद्धयोगी। सेकंड नंबर जलम च बिभ्रन्न। जलम च बिभ्रन्न न घटो न मेघः। कृष्णमुखी न मार्जरी। कृष्णमुखी न मार्जरी द्विजिह्वा न च सर्पिणी। द्विजिह्वा न च सर्पिणी। ओके नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आंसर each of the following questions in one sentence in Sanskrit. Answer each of the following questions in one sentence in Sanskrit. का स्त्री देह विवर्जिता अस्ति। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का स्त्री देह विवर्जिता अस्ति। इट मीन्स which woman or what is the woman, which woman is as soon as destroyed as soon as she is born. The answer is Chotika. Chotika देह विवर्जिता अस्ति. It means a snake born. Snake is destroyed as soon as she is born. Second question, कः पर्पादे गच्छति. कः पर्पादे गच्छति. Answer is पादरक्षकः. पर्पादेन गच्छति. It means a shoes is walks with other human being or other mans. Shoes is walks with other human beings. Number 3, कातरः युद्धे किं करोति. कातरः युद्धे किं करोति. Answer is कातरः युद्धे पलायनम. पलायनम और पलायते. कातरः युद्धे पलायते means coward is runs away from the war or during the war. Next question, त्वक् वस्त्रधारी किं न अस्ति. त्वक् वस्त्रधारी किं न अस्ति. The answer is त्वक् वस्त्रधारी सिद्धयोगी न अस्ति. त्वक् वस्त्रधारी सिद्धयोगी नास्ति. Question number 5. सिंहः किं हन्ति? सिंहः किं हन्ति? The answer is सिंहः कारायणं कुलं हन्ति. It means a lion kills a herd of elephants. A lion kills a herd of elephants. Now our next exercise is find the true meaning of the given Sanskrit word from the option. Find the true meaning. First is ghata. Ghata, it means pot. Pot. Megha. Megha, it means cloud. Marjari. Marjari means cat. Varta. Varta, it means husband. Kari. Kari, it means elephant. Dantah. Dantah, it means teeth. Panchali. Panchali, it means Draupadi. Bibranna. Bibranna, it means holder or holding. Twak. Twak, it means skin. Skin. Okay. Now find out the true synonyms of the given Sanskrit word options are and write. Find out the true synonyms. First is ghata. Ghata, it means kumbha, yani it means pot. Paniha. Pani, it means cup, hand. Sarpaha. Sarpaha, it means bhujanga. Bhujanga, it means snack. Stri, it means nari, woman. Then netra. Netra, it means lochan, means eyes. Lochan. Then last one, kari, it means gaja. Gaja, it means elephant. Okay students, this was our first chapter. We complete here and check your, please kindly check your study material. I upload all the exercise in study material and you can copy from study material for your notebook. Okay, thank you.